Hello learner, welcome to our competency-based education digital lessons. The learning area covered in this digital lesson is Science and Technology for Grade 5. The strand covered is matter, the substrand is acids and bases. Dear learner, welcome to our competency-based digital lessons. Our learning area in this video is Science and Technology for Grade 5. In this video, we will learn about acids and bases. In our lesson, we will use litmus paper to identify acids and bases. In a competency-based education program, you are enabled to become an engaged, empowered, and ethical citizen. The goal is to nurture your full abilities. We urge you to believe in yourself. We encourage you to explore your interests and talents. Become the best version of yourself. You have what it takes. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to 1. Explain what is litmus paper. And 2. Use litmus paper to identify acids and bases. In our lesson, we will answer these questions. Question number 1. What is litmus paper? Question number 2. How do you use litmus paper to identify acids and bases? In an earlier lesson, we classified some commonly used substances as acids and bases. How can you tell if a substance is an acid or a base? These substances are safe for eating and drinking. You can safely taste them to tell if their taste is sweet, sour or bitter. There are plenty of other substances that are not foods. We cannot taste them. They can easily cause poisoning. Others are corrosive. They can burn the skin. How can we tell whether these substances are acids and bases? To tell whether a substance is an acid or a base, we use an indicator. An indicator is a special substance that tells whether another substance is an acid or a base. The two must come into contact. An indicator is a tester for acids and bases. This is an indicator. What color is it? Learner, you got it right. The indicator is blue in color. It has been dipped into a substance, and its color has changed into red. This is another indicator. What color is it? Learner, once again you got it right. The indicator is red in color. It has been dipped into a substance, and its color has changed to blue. There are many types of indicators that can be used to tell whether a substance is an acid or a base. Study the two indicators once again. Notice the color of each indicator. These pictures show the most commonly used indicator in school learning activities. It is called the litmus paper. This is blue litmus paper. This is red litmus paper. Litmus paper is made from lichens, which grow on walls, rocks, and on barks of trees. These are lichens growing on the bark of a tree. This is red litmus paper. This is blue litmus paper. Blue litmus paper turns red when dipped into an acid. Red litmus paper turns blue when dipped into a base. We studied these substances in an earlier video lesson. Which ones will turn blue litmus paper red? Well done, learner, you got it right. The substances that will turn blue litmus paper red are the acids. They are as follows: 1. Lemon juice, 2. Sour milk, and 3. Battery acid. And which of these substances will turn red litmus paper blue? Well done, learner. Once again, you got it right. The substances that will turn red litmus paper blue are the bases. They are as follows: 1. Bar soap, 2. Antacid powder, 3. Baking soda, 4. Antacid tablets, and 5. Wood ash solution. And here is our segment for becoming a better person and a better citizen. What does it take to become a responsible person? It starts with making a personal decision. You choose to care for others. You choose to care for the environment. You choose to care for animals and plants. You choose to become a better you. Responsible people build better relationships. Better relationships build better families. Choose to be responsible. Help to solve problems in your community. Stay safe. Learner, that is it for now. In our next digital lesson, we will learn the uses of acids and bases in our daily life. We will also discuss the physical properties of acids and bases. We will also learn the safety precautions to observe when handling acids and bases. Goodbye, dear learner. Thank you for watching. Dear learner, that is it for now. Goodbye. Thank you for participating in this digital lesson.